Let me go to Claire. Claire's calling us from North Carolina. Hi, Claire.
Hi, Dan. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Dan, we are selling a farm in North Carolina that we inherited in 2006. The farm, we're selling it for $200,000, and of course, my brother and I own it together. And our share is my husband. Our share is $100,000. We were wondering, is there any way for us to avoid the capital gains tax?
Yeah, so you're going to have to pay it when you file your tax. They may withhold something or withhold it at settlement, not likely, but they could. But there's the only thing you can do, which it may be too late for that, the only thing you can do with property like that, I always recommend that people would, you can move it over into your own charitable trust. So you and your brother could have a charitable trust. You could move it over to that charitable trust. The charitable trust then would sell it. You wouldn't pay any tax at all on it ever. So you could do that. That would be one option. But once you do that, of course, the only thing you can do is use it to generate income. And there's a couple things you can do with a charitable trust. You can take that charitable trust and say, I'm going to take a 15% income. Well, it's not going to earn 15%. You're going to be dipping into principal, but in a few years, you'll get your money out. Now, the money that you withdraw will be taxable, so it's spreading the tax over a period of years. But that may be helpful to do something like that. The only other thing you can do, which would be a great option, which we do a lot, is putting it into a donor advised fund. So you could put all that money in a donor advised fund after the sale. You would get 100% tax deduction for the whole $200,000 that you and your brother would split, and that would offset, your taxes probably for a couple years, because what you can't use, you carry over to the next year. And then you can take your time, you can take as long as you want to begin to use that donor advised fund to be doing your gifting. So you could use that to do your gifting at your church or any other ministries that you support. But even though you may not give any of it away for 5 years, you get the charitable deduction now when you need it to offset your taxes. Hey, I want to thank you for watching the clip. We sure do appreciate it. Would you go right now, click on that subscribe button if you haven't already? That helps us. We would appreciate it. Thanks again.